Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. I'm for some chicken salad today, so that's what I'm going to be preparing today for you, and along with you, or you along with me, as you observe how I put together this chicken salad. I think we're going to be looking at salt, of course, and pepper, coarse ground pepper, and you'll see this stuff in the ingredient list as well. I've got some garlic salt here as well, obviously some mayonnaise as well. And I'll put grapes in this particular recipe, and I've made chicken salad different ways before too. I don't know how many there is. I didn't count the grapes, but yeah, I'm gonna call that about 2 cups of grapes, okay? And of course I'm gonna put celery in there. I got 2 sticks of celery, and it's all been washed. I've got half of a medium-sized onion. I think I'll put that whole thing in there. I also will put either walnuts, and you'll see in the ingredient list, it'll either be walnuts, and these are honey roasted walnut pieces, they're called. And the same thing applies to this here. I got some honey roasted pecan pieces as well. I don't know what my choice will be. I'll just grab one or the other, but you'll also see, because I've used both, and I can certainly use them either or in this particular recipe. I think that's about it. The chicken that I'm going to use, I'll buy these little individual packages. You can certainly use any kind of chicken you want. I'll show you the whole caboodle here. It comes like this in a tray with these little individual packets, and they're all about 3 1/4 ounces each on these individual packets. And anyway, but again, you can do your chicken anywhere you want to do it. You can pan sear it, you can grill it. I like grilled chicken in my chicken salad. It has a different flavor, as you guys probably know. You get kind of a smoky flavor to it, and the texture is about the same. That's about 1.5 cups, 1 3/4 measurement, I guess, of grapes, and 2 sticks of celery. Like I said, I'm going to cut my celery here. You can see that. Got them in little strips here, as I cut them. You know, I'm going to do this measure here. I think I'll do them all at the same time. I think. I don't want them too small. I don't want them fine. I'm not trying to grate them. I'm just trying to have a little crunch in that salad, and hopefully you can see again about how big they are. I can't even measure 1/8 of an inch or something like that. So anyway, that's what I'm doing there. And I'm almost done with this process. And that's about it for the celery. That's about it. That's looking good, guys. I don't need to go back through it, because that's about the consistency I want that celery, okay? And then I'll put our celery in our bowl here. Look at it to the edge and make sure I don't touch the counter with it. And there goes the celery. And again, I've got 1/2 of a medium onion. And I'm going to dice these up the same way I just did that. About the same as I did the celery, okay? There you go. I'm going to take my glasses off so I can see, guys. I know that sounds weird, but you guys that wear glasses like me, you know what it's like when you have reading glasses, and the glasses you don't need up close, so there you have it. I confess to why I do silly stuff like take my glasses off in order to see. Okay, I'm done with the onion. And I don't really have to go back across this onion anymore either, because it's as fine as I want it, okay? So there's the onion deal. And you might be able to see that. And that's the beginning of the chicken salad. I'm going to use the same knife, so I'm going to cut them in half. Do it again here. I'm just trying to measure what I'm going to do with the grapes, guys. I don't want the salad to taste like grape salad. Just have a few pieces of grape in between. I'm actually quartering these grapes, if you can believe that. So that's what I'm doing with the grapes. I quartered all of those grapes, and that's what I did. Got these all ready to add to my onions and my celery. I'm going to let me see what they look like, actually, because they come out of the packages, and sizes are pretty good chunks here, okay? So again, you can cut yours like you'd like, but you got to dice it up if you're making chicken salad, and that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to cut them up a little bit, okay? before I put them in my dish with my onions and my celery. I'm going to just chop it up in no particular fashion. I'm just going to cut it up a little bit in the smaller pieces, smaller chunks if you will. And it makes for a nicer presentation on the bun if you're going to serve it on a bun or whatever that case might be, okay? This is about a little over a pound of chicken meat too, okay? A little bit over a pound. And I put that in there with my onions and celery. And grapes are going to be the last thing I put in there, so I'm going to show you that mixture. Haven't started to mix anything yet, but and I'm going to fold this just a little bit before I start with the grapes, okay? So I'm going all the way to the bottom, just a little bit, and shake it as I do that. Get the celery and onions evenly distributed throughout the chicken. You see that? All right, that's all. I'm not bruising it at all. I'm just going all the way down to the bowl, rolling it over. That's all I'm doing, okay? All right, so now I'm going to put my grapes in. About half of them. I'm going to do the same thing. I just kind of fold them in there gingerly or gently. And again, I'm glad I cut them in quarters. Like I said, you want a little bit of grapes throughout the process, but you don't want to overwhelm it or overpower it with big chunks of grapes. Okay. Now I'm going to do some black pepper, and this is all to taste. This is again coarse ground black pepper, and this is all to taste. So a little bit of garlic, salt to taste again. You can see that. But to taste again. That's looking pretty good to me, guys, I'll tell you. And then I'm going to come along with a little salt here. I know I got garlic salt. You don't want to over-season it, of course, as well. So I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on there. And I'll be tasting this once I get my mayo in here. And for taste, again. And I'll put a little bit more salt here. And that's about all the salt I'm going to put for now, all right? Until I taste it. I'm going to put my mayonnaise in there now, and I just got a mixture of green peppers and, celery and onions and grapes, okay? And salt and pepper. All right, I'm going to take my handy dandy spoon. Again, this is to taste, guys, or sight in this case. And let's call this a heaping tablespoon. Let's call that one of them. And let's call this 2 heaping tablespoons. I had them heaped too, right? And I got another one in here too. I'm going to do that one as well. I got 3. That's all, again, from sight, all right? So here's what I've got right now. And obviously I'm going to have to put some more in there. And this is really, really good. And this is all I put in there. Salt, pepper, a little garlic salt, and it'll sit in the refrigerator overnight. I'm going to taste it for the salt content. Don't know what the content is, just for the taste, you know what I mean, guys. That's looking pretty good, okay? And I'll be putting one of these together for you. I'll serve it on like a bed of arugula or some sort of, any kind of salad you want to put it on, I guess. And then I'll put it on a croissant, you know, I'll cut your croissant in half and I'll put one together for you. Anyway, that's what it kind of looks like. Not kind of, but that's what it looked like if you can see it, and I think you can. All right, now I'm going to do a little taste test here on it. And see if, in fact, it's as good as it looks. Because it sure looks good. You guys it's going crunch, crunch, crunch. That is good. That is really good. But again, when you make this for you and your family, if you do, and I certainly hope you do, you'll enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it. So I'm going to sprinkle my walnuts in it. So I'll put my point is I'm going to put the entire package, and there's 3.5 ounces in here. All right, these are right consistency, the right little pieces. All right. So I'm gonna, maybe you need to see that. They're just little pieces. All right, and they're honey roasted. All right. I'm gonna fold the rest of these in there too. I almost forgot these, to be honest with you guys. You guys must have been looking like, what about the walnuts or nuts? Until I looked down and saw them. But this is really a phenomenal salad. I'm still tasting it in my mouth here. It is really good. This isn't. I'm not going to overpower it with the nuts, and because as I'm folding it, I can see them in here, and they're doing their thing. They're in that little corner of the bowl, and just like all the other things that are in there. And you know what? I'm not going to dump the rest of it because it's like crumbs on the bottom. I don't want to do that. So I use like almost all of it. All right. And there again, going to do it. That is phenomenal. All right, again, I'm going to put down just a little bit here on leafy greens here. Like I said, sometime I put arugula or whatever. You don't have to put any dressing on your croissant, of course, because of the dressing that's already in your deal. So I just kind of smoosh it on there like that. It's okay if it kind of hangs off. It's all right. I don't know why it has to all be on there, but there you have it. So you just put some on the top, like I do. And if you want greens, you don't have to put these on there either. So anyway, I just do that. And then I take my salad and I put it right on top of that. That little process like that. And it's really, really, really tasty. Really tasty. Be tastier tomorrow. And that's kind of the presentation as it's plated. And that's what it kind of looks like. So, nothing else is needed on that plate. I usually garnish my plates with strawberries or blackberries or blueberries and all that. That's all in here already, so you don't have to do that. Again, folks, I hope if you do, and whenever you do, and if you do, for yourself and your family, that you guys will enjoy this as much as we're going to enjoy it as well. Again, thank you so very much for subscribing to my, and subscribe, if you will, to my channel. Please pass it on to others as well. And let me know what you think. And again, thank you so much for watching Cooking with Pouncy. And I'll see you next time, guys.